What's up? What's up? What's up? This is Cash featuring.
Here's Grandma. Hi.
Hey, as you know, this package just came in today. And I know what you're thinking. What is in it?
What is it?
Well, time to find out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Right. And now let's see what's in it.
Can you open it?
Oh, there's some of it. Got it in. Okay, time to see what's in it, and
Who is it?
it's Jenny Wakeman.
He's cute.
Jenny's a girl, not a boy. See, look at her.
Oh, she's a cutie.
Yes. Now this is Jenny Wakeman or XJ9.
Uh-huh. You're gonna keep recording?
Say hi to the camera, Jenny. Hi.